In this lesson, you will learn how to build a sliding window rate limiter in Redis, the kind that blocks burst abuse at boundaries that fixed windows let slip through. A fixed window counts requests inside a hard time bucket. The problem is an attacker can fire a full burst at the end of one bucket and again at the start of the next, effectively doubling throughput. A sliding window solves this by always looking back a rolling interval from the current moment. We store one entry per request in a sorted set using the Unix timestamp as the score. ZREMRANGEBYSCORE deletes anything older than now minus the window. ZCARD then tells us exactly how many requests remain inside the rolling window. We ZADD each request with its timestamp as the score, then call ZREMOVERANGEBYSCORE to purge anything outside the 60-second window. ZCARD returns the live count. Finally, EXPIRE ensures the key self-destructs when the user goes quiet. When reviewing a pull request, check that the trim and count steps are atomic. A gap between them is a race condition. Watch for a missing EXPIRE, constant member names that collapse the set, and any INCR-based approach masquerading as a sliding window. The sliding window pattern is 3 steps. Add a timestamped entry, trim the expired tail, count what is left. Keep those steps atomic, set an expiry, and use unique member names. Get any of these wrong, and your rate limiter either races or leaks.